Hey guys, good morning. Terry here. I am rearranging again. I've taken down the black Ikea table that I had over here on this wall here. It just was so big and obtrusive. I mean, it fit, but the space is so much bigger than it felt with that table there. So um, I just really like the table being down. So I'm liking all the storage that I have. I like the cabinets on the side, so I have my tools on the top. I've got some decorative stuff that I want to kind of put away. It's not really serving a function, so some of that stuff's going to go. But for the most part, storage is working. It's just a matter of that table being so big. I love the white table over there in front of the window. I've got some project bins that I want to work through and get out of there. But I do love the white table in front of the window is very light and airy, and that table was really big. So doing an IKEA run, I think what I'm going to get is another, I'm going to get just a 47-inch white table here. I'm going to get another one of the drawer units and put it there, and then I'm going to wheel these to another part of the room. But I've got lights there on that wall. It's going to be good for that table there. This is 50 some inches here, so I know that 47-inch tabletop will fit here. This one here I think was 78 inches long, so that works on that wall. Gonna get another little white table here and one more drawer, so that I have table legs there. Again, I just want the light and airy feel. So I will be back once I've done my trip to IKEA and assembled some of those items. So talk to you later. Hey guys, it's Terry. I'm back. We went to IKEA and we put together the new desk and Alex drawer. So I want to show you the setup. So now instead of the big tall table with the bar stools, I've got this Linnmon tabletop with the legs, and then I got another Alex drawer. This one is the one that has a filing drawer on the bottom, so it's tall, and then you can put the pins in there to, I don't have any hanging folders yet, but I like that. Notice the other one had the just the drawers, and this one has a hanging folder drawer. And the desk is only 47 inches wide, so I didn't put two sets of drawers. I thought that would make it too narrow there to sit at. But I think it's perfect for that wall space. And then I've got my Rascog carts that I can wheel around, and you know, whatever tools I need, I can wheel that up to the desk that I'm sitting at. I think I'm going to have that one be computer and video website editing, and then this one will be the cards and scrapbooking area. So the area, we just moved in, I don't know, what, 2 months now? So it's all kind of coming together. It's still quite dark in this area. I'll pan back. You can see I've got my photography camera up. That's why it's so bright in that corner, but it is very dark in this spot. So probably going to add more lighting across the beams. Above the desk there is track lighting. We talked about running that maybe across both desks. So loving the area. I bought this at I don't know if that was at home or Joann's not too long ago. It's got a spot for cards. It's got these, it's like a little mail holder, and it's got the chicken wire, and then it's got cards that I've received and cards that I can send out for birthdays and thank yous, and I like that. It's hanging there in a good spot, out of the way. Okay. So thanks, guys. Talk to you next time.